In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable mouse keys on your MacBook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then go down and select System Settings. And then on the left panel, select Accessibility. And then on the right side, you want to just scroll down underneath Motor and select where it says Pointer Control. And then there should be an option here that says alternate control methods, mouse keys. Allow the pointer to be controlled using the keyboard keys or number pad. Click inside that oval to toggle to the right, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.